Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be checking out these crazy floating pens. I also haven't used it right now. Let's see how this works. So first of all, I'll just take this one pen. It's saying something in Chinese which I cannot understand, so I don't know what to really do with this. But I think some things are written over here as well in Chinese, so I don't know what to do with it. So let's go and try these pens. What I have seen is that they are floating pens, and then whatever you make on these spoons or something like that, clean surface of steel where it does not stick much, these things you can draw and then put the spoon in the water and then it will start floating. That's the real concept, and I'll just test it. Let's see what happens. Let's draw a flower like this. I hope I've connected all the dots and making it darker, making sure that this floats. Let's see, guys, if it floats. I'm really excited. Oh wow, it's not floating. I think I did something wrong. It's just not happening, guys. Let's see. Oh, it just went off. Let's see. Maybe we draw on a wet spoon and not on a dry spoon. Let's try again. Let's try again. Something's got floating over there, but not the flower. Crazy. Let's try again. Okay. I'll dry it up a little and then draw some circle, just some circle like that. Now it's not working, but let's see. Hopefully this floats. Just anything for now, and then we put it on the water. Oh god, this is literally not working. Oh my god, this is a flop, is it? So my review is, I don't know why this floating pen is not floating. I'll do some research and quickly come back. So I have figured out something. It is working, but it's a little that how you draw is important, I think, because it started floating for me, but it just got stuck for a long time. Like the upper part was stuck, the lower was floating, and then it just got messed up. So let's try again. Let's draw a simple something more simpler just to see, because it does float, but it's a little hard for me to take it out from the spoon, probably because this glass is small. I don't know what's the issue. 1 second, I'll just dry my this thing and then change the color and then try again. Let's make something like a cap or triangle. Okay, so this is my art piece, triangle, something like this. Let's see, it dries up. Now I'll show you that it does float. Look at here. When I'm dipping it under water, you see, a little bit you'll see that started coming out, right? But my problem is that only that probably it doesn't come out very easily, so you just have to do a little bit of work here. Then hold it. Yep, see, hold it and let it come out. Oh god, it just, yep. You see, it's a little difficult. It does work. Probably I'm not skilled enough to use these pens, but I'll have to try a little more while and then it will come out, guys. It will come out. Yes. Okay, bye bye. I hope you got the review in the video itself. I don't have to say anything extra. Bye bye.